Welcome. In front of me is a OnePlus Nord CE2, and today I'll show you how you can boot this device into recovery mode. So to get started, you will want to hold your power key. From here, select power off, and when the device turns off, hold power and volume down at the same time. Now when you see OnePlus logo, you can let go of the power key but keep holding volume down. And this will bring you to the language selection. So from here, choose your language. I'll be sticking with English, so that's what I'm going to tap on. And this gives us a couple options right here. So we can install updates from storage, we can wipe data, reboot, or power off the device. Now under wipe data, we do have a couple options. We have wipe data, which apparently retains things like contacts, messages, and photos, making the statement wipe data absolutely inaccurate. And we have actual format data, which will remove everything. That's basically all the settings we have in here, so I'm gonna leave this mode by selecting reboot. OK, and this will now take me back to Android. And there we go, we are now back in Android. So, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.